Guys, did you know that TikTok is not all about going viral and enjoying those dancing challenges? You can make some serious money from TikTok. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 main ways that you can start using to make money from TikTok. This method does not require you to be in those countries which are a part of TikTok creator program. Wherever you are, you can start using this method to make money from TikTok. Whether you're from South Africa, from the US, from the UK, from Kenya, you can start using this method to make money from TikTok. So all I want is you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. The first method here is partnering with brands. Brands out there are looking for authentic and creative creators who can help them to promote their product. If you are one of those creators, brands may approach you asking you to work with them, and they'll be offering you much money just to promote their product. You can also approach brands. Don't be shy if you're having over 5,000 followers on TikTok. Don't be afraid to approach maybe some local brands or international brands and ask them whether you can work with them. For somebody who is still starting, I want you to focus on a certain niche, because brands want a creator who is focused on a certain group of people. For instance, if you are creating comedies, they will know the kind of product that you can help them to promote. If you are into personal development, the brands which are selling maybe books or other productive tools will work with you. But if you don't have a specific niche that you are focused on, it will be hard for brands to know the kind of people that you are targeting. The next method is TikTok live selling. And guys, I can tell you this method is growing fast. You have been seeing people who are selling live on TikTok. And this method is applicable for somebody who is having over 1,000 subscribers and is already selling some product. If you are selling some product, maybe you own a shop of shoes or clothes or the different products, you can start hosting live sessions on TikTok where you'll be showcasing your product to your audience. In your live, we'll be describing the price of a product, the location, the size, and viewers, like the viewers who are watching you live, they'll be asking you for more details. And remember to put the link of where they can find those products in your bio, so that whoever is interested in a certain product may press an order, or maybe put your phone number in your bio, so that whoever who want more details may inbox you on WhatsApp or may call you. And I promise you, if you are a seller, this method will boost your sales. It can even multiply to more than 10 times of sales. I have a friend of mine, he's selling shoes and he has been not getting client, but recently he started doing these TikTok lives where he's showcasing different brands of clothes that he's having. He can probably sell 10 to 20 shoes per day just from TikTok clients. So I want you to start implementing. Another method that you can use to make money from TikTok is by offering a certain service. If you're somebody who has got a certain skill, you are a good video editor, you are a good English speaker, not like me, like somebody who can speak English fluently, and you can also teach English, you can start creating content around your skill. And then after growing your audience, you can create a course or you can create an ebook that will be teaching in details your skill. Now, your course can be uploaded to Udemy. You can even upload it to Skillshare. You can put it to Teachable. Those are websites which are known to sell courses. And you will take the link from that website which is selling your course in your TikTok bio. In your content, make sure that you will remind viewers, audience, that whoever who wants to learn more about what you are teaching, he may pass through the link in your bio and then have an access to that course. Pay maybe $20, $50, $10, depending on the value of what you are teaching. And I promise you will be making maybe 20 sales, 10 sales per day. You can even make more than 100 sales per day. Imagine if you are selling a course for $10 and you have already sold it to 10 people per day. That's $100 that we're making per day from TikTok. Now, the another method that you can use to make money from TikTok is collecting gifts from viewers. You have probably seen people who may spend their whole day just sitting on TikTok, hosting live on TikTok. Those people are being given different gifts. They give them hearts, they give them roses, they give them diamonds. I don't know, different kinds of gifts that they're giving them on TikTok. And you know what? Those gifts stand for a certain number of coins. For instance, if for you to get a rose, for me to get a rose, I have to pay certain number of coins. So when I gift somebody a rose, I'm gifting him coins. And those coins are put together and then transformed into diamonds. And those diamonds are the one which can be transformed into real cash, which you can put on your PayPal account and later withdraw it to your bank account. There are some creators out there. I have heard one creator from Nigeria who made more than $10,000 in one live session. Can you imagine? $10,000. A Nigerian guy, a young guy from Nigeria. You can probably start hosting these live sessions where we'll be connecting single people from different parts of the world. For instance, you will grow your TikTok account to 1,000 subscribers, to 1,000 followers, and then after growing it, you will rebrand it to like a TikTok account which will be connecting different single people who are looking for lovers. And all what you have to do is to put in some background music which is somehow lovely, and then try to encourage people to connect through the comment section, and people will be gifting you. And this is a simple method of you to make money. You can also start hosting these live sessions where you will be helping people to grow their TikTok accounts, and we'll be telling them to comment and like and give you gifts so that you can put them on the spot, and then ask other people to start following those who have gifted you. And this method is working. I know somebody who can make probably more than $50 per day by using this specific method from TikTok. I once tried to do this and I made not even up to $1, but my channel was new, but my account was new, and it was my first time to do that, but I tried it for maybe 20 minutes and I was able to make over $1 from TikTok. Now, the last but not least method that you can use to make money from TikTok is offering a certain service. If you are into coaching, maybe fitness coaching, you are a financial coach, you are maybe somebody who can offer certain skill, you can start offering these services on TikTok. Preparing webinars where you'll be inviting people to pay a certain amount of money to join your Zoom meeting, to join your Zoom training, and you will start making money from this method. And those are the simple ways that you can start using to make money from TikTok. You don't need to be from those first world countries to start making money by using this method. You don't have to be having a big number of people who are following you. Just if you are consistent and willing to keep doing it for a long time, you will start making money from TikTok. And that's it for today's video. If you have really enjoyed watching this video, I want you to give it a like so that it can be recommended to more viewers. And if you want to watch more of my videos talking about simple method that you can use to make money online, I want you to smash on that subscribe button. And this is Mr. TA signing off. Ciao.